Remove the cap from the inhaler. Shake the inhaler well for 5 seconds. Hold the inhaler firmly, by placing your index finger on top of the canister, and thumb on the bottom of the mouthpiece. Sit up straight or stand up. Tilt your head back slightly. Exhale away from the inhaler. Put the inhaler in your mouth. Press the inhaler and start breathing in at the same time. Take a slow and deep breath. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth or nose. Repeat 2 to 8 steps after 30 seconds if another dose is required. If you are using a corticosteroid medication, rinse your mouth after all doses are complete.